Hello kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will identify rhyming words. But before that, do you know what is rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Like for example, cat and rat. They rhyme because they end with at sound. Next, box and fox. They rhyme because they end with ox sound. This one, hen and pen. They rhyme because they end with n sound. Next, fun and vun. They rhyme because they end with n sound. Last one, king and ring. They rhyme because they end with ing sound. This time, you will be the one to identify if the two words rhyme or not. Pig and wig. Bird and con. Rain and train. Sun and mug. Hum and jump. Good job, kids! Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!